The fourth row deals with 0 index, and we consider the first case here, which is 5 power 3 divided by 5 to power 3. We know we need to subtract the powers, so this one will give us 5 to power 3 minus 3, which will end up giving us 5 to power 0. But the same question can be written in an expanded form, and we say 5 cubed times another 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 1, because all the 5's will cancel, implying that 5 to power 0 is equal to 1, because the two questions done in two different ways are giving us the same answer. Therefore, any number raised to 0 is 1. Let's deal with the row of negative indices. And the example that we are going to deal with is 10 to power 5 divided by 10 to power 7. We need to consider this one at length, and the expression in an expanded form means it is 10 times another 10 times another 10 times another 10 times another 10, everything divided by 10 times another 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. The 5 tens will cancel, and the end result will be 1 out of 10 squared. But using the idea of indices, when we are dividing terms, 10 to power 5 divided by 10 to power 7 is the same as 10 to power 5 minus 7, which is the same as 10 to power negative 2. Therefore, 10 to power negative 2 is the same as 1 over 10 squared. If we consider another case here, a to power negative 1, then it is equal to 1 over a to power 1. When you push an index with a power which is negative to the denominator side, then the sign of the power is changing. We can generalize in general a to power negative n is the same as 1 over a to power n. Fractional indices we consider a number of cases, and the first one which we are going to deal with is meaning of a to power a half. If we square a to power a half, a to power a half times a to power a half, it implies that the answer is a to 1. meaning that a to power a half is the square root of a. Consider the meaning of a to power a third. This one is the same as a to power a third times a to power a third, which gives us a to power 1 if it is multiplied 3 times, meaning that a to power a third is the same as the cube root of a.